We are the Alvin family.
Guys, look, it's snowing outside now. See, it's been snowing the whole day, and look at this. We were making fun of it. I still have my fall decor. And it's snowing outside. I said it should be Christmas now. I'm so late. So guys, we bought a new Christmas tree. So this was like 10 years ago. We paid $54, 6.5. So all of this. And now we bought basically the same one, but now it's $60. And this is nice because it's LED now, and it has the multicolor and clear. So we decided to buy a new one because the light wasn't working. We were gonna buy a separate light, but then it's not worth it. For like 60 bucks, we're gonna put this up, guys. So it looks like this. It's just plastic. White Christmas, guys, and then the LED lights. Look. Okay, put it there. Thank you. So guys, we're trying to do multicolors this year. So all the colors, pink, purple, light blue, like candy colors.